The following table of values represent a line. Find the missing value below, here. So notice that we have xy values. Essentially, we have points. So we have 2 points, -2, 3 and 2, 15. And the challenge is to find the third point, where x equals 5. We have 2 points, so we can find the line equation. The slope is rise over run, or 15 minus 3, subtracting the y values, over 2 minus -2, subtracting the x values. So we have 12 over 2 plus 2 is 4, which is 3. Using the slope point form, we have y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. We can plug in any point. Why don't we just plug in this 2 here, and this 15 here. Y minus 15 equals the slope 3, x minus 2. Using distribution, we have y minus 15 equals 3x minus 6. Thus, we have y equals 3x. We have 15 minus 6 is 9. We now plug in 5 into x, and we have y equals 3 times 5 plus 9. 15 plus 9 is 24. So this mystery number is 24. Money is a function of time in hours. M of t equals 20t plus 50. How much do you get paid for working 0 hours? So we're going to substitute time is 0 hours here. So the money when you work 0 hours equals 20 times 0 plus 50. Anything times 0 is 0, so we earn $50. How much do you get paid if you work for 8 hours? So the money, if you work for 8 hours, is 20 times 8. Time is 8 plus 50. 20 times 8 is 160. Plus 50 is $210. How many hours do you have to work to earn 280? So we're going to set money as 280. And we're trying to solve for t. So we have 20t plus 50. Using algebra, we subtract 50 from both sides. So we have 20t equals 230. We divide both sides by 10. We have 2t equals 23. Dividing by 2, we have t equals 23 divided by 2, which is 11.5 hours. In reality, there might be some overtime pay, but in this example, we're not worrying about it. In the context of this question, what is a domain? Now we're talking about the possible t values. This here is the independent variable, and money depends on this independent variable t, time. Now there is no such thing as negative time, so we'll say that t is greater than or equal to 0. And technically, there is a limit to how many hours any human being can work, but this really depends on the individual. So we'll just say that time is greater than or equals to 0. Y equals 4x minus 3. What is the slope of the line that is parallel to this line? Here m, the slope equals 4. It's uphill. Now the idea of parallel means we have the same slope. So the slope that is parallel is 4. What is the slope of the line that is perpendicular to this line? So previously we said that m equals 4, the slope. But the idea of perpendicular means at a 90 degree to this slope. The key here is that we're going to take the negative reciprocal. So instead of 4, we have -1/4 as the slope of this line here that is perpendicular to the original. So in general, when we have a slope, we have a over b. However, the slope that is perpendicular is -b over a.